Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have come up with a new website by which you can earn much profit. So do watch my video from beginning to end and don't miss any information that is necessary to know. And do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any update, any video that I post next. So let's begin. Greatest of all tokens, token now, live trade now. GoFi, greatest of all tokens. GoFi token is community-driven DeFi token built on the Binance Smart Chain BSC, backed by proof of stake technology, which essentially means that our tokens can be mined. We are completely environmentally friendly and full decentralized. Our tokenomics consists of a 10% fee per transaction, 4% of which is redistributed by existing holders. This encourages investors to hold and rewards the GoFi community. A breakdown of our tokenomics can be viewed here. Join our space expedition and earn interest by holding as you watch your balance grow exponentially. So this is the distribution. 50% public sale, 20% burn wallet, 20% manual burn holding, 6% pre-sale and 2% team dedicated, 1% marketing or you can say exchange wallet, 1% of technical development. Tokenomics, 4% holders, 2% liquidity pool, 2% burn, 1% charity wallet, 1% exchange or marketing wallet. You can trade tokens now by clicking this trade tokens now button. Our core team meet the mission control team. More Tullah, Ryan Marks, Steph Hall, Greg Saros, Kyle DeCoker, Greg Dot, Leah Vuitton, Flavio Pinto. You can even see all of them over here. So current price is 0, very less, as you can see on the screen. Holders 0, supply is this much, a lot. Liquidity is $35,000. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap and Nomics. GoFi is officially listed on these sites. Now, told you before. So our flight path journey to the moon. Quarter 1, planning an essential part of every successful project. Quarter 2, click to read more. Arrival of GoFi on Earth, ready to recruit Earthlings on board our mission to outer space. Launch first version of the website. Creation of GoFi token to provide the people on Earth with their ticket onto our rocket, fueled and ready. Launch of social media pages along with the Telegram and Discord for the GoFi to communicate. Public launch, PancakeSwap listing, our swap page, Nomics listing, and UniRocket listing application complete. Comments discussion with other exchanges, marketing campaign, digital marketing influence on social media, website update, community interaction, more data to be provided, manual burns, targets set, confirm a third party audit to be conducted, audit confirmed. Quarter 3, CoinMarketCap listing October 2021, listing on several exchanges, partnership, merchandise launch, charity drive, NFTs, interactive iOS and Android app plus integrated GoFi wallet design, GoFi card, UK Ireland office, increase team members, roadmap update, marketing campaign begin, physical advertising. Quarter 4, iOS and Android app December 2021, implementations of NFTs, South African based offices, US based offices, increase team members, coin tracker, secure launchpad, gaming, more to come. Get involved. How to trade GoFi token? Trade on you can trade on PancakeSwap, sell on PancakeSwap, GoFi swap, whatever you want to choose. You just have to click that option. PancakeSwap, GoFi token official contract address. You can copy this by clicking this copy button. GoFi token, get your spacesuits on and prepare for lift off. GoFi is a community-driven DeFi token built on Binance Smart Chain, backed by proof of stock technology. We're completely environmentally friendly and is fully decentralized due to our tokenomics system. Each transaction results in holders earning more tokens and increase in the liquidity pool. Tokens are burned and a percentage is sent to exchange marketing wallet and a charity wallet. You can even visit our sites like Twitter, Facebook, Insta, YouTube, Telegram, and follow us there. So you know more about us. So about team. I've already told you about the team, so if you want to know that, you can visit this page by the link in the description. Charts. First is PooCoin, then Bogged, Finance, Coin Codex, and Coin Paprika, which you can see by visiting once you visit this site. Now the exchanges for PancakeSwap, Swap, you can exchange the tokens by PancakeSwap or GoFiSwap. Listings: CoinMarketCap, Nomics, CoinGecko, CoinSniper, CoinHunt, CoinVote, Fresh Coins, and Token Sniffer. If you want to trade, you just have to click this trade now button right here. So that was it for today's video. If you got some information from my video, so do subscribe to my channel, do share my video so other people also get to know about this, and do like my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so you don't miss any video that I post next. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.